sapat na ba ang gumamit ng pintura as a waterproofer? Ang masasagot po namin dito, dapat po ay una intindihin natin kung saan gawa muna ang pintura. Kasi most of the paints dito sa Philippines are made of acrylic. But there are two types of acrylic. There is pure acrylic, which has good UV resistance, maganda yung color retention. Meron din naman ang styrene acrylic. Ang maganda naman sa styrene acrylic ay maganda ang kanyang resistance sa water absorption, maganda ang kanyang flexibility. Ang hinahanap po natin ngayon dito para maging maganda ang waterproofing natin ay yung soft na styrene acrylic. For us, in Build Right, we would recommend Sapal RTU or Sapal na ready to use na waterproofing for your structures or building. Bakit? Yung styrene acrylic na ginagamit ng Sapal RTU ay soft, at the same time, it's also durable. It has good crack bridging effect. Bakit kailangan mo ng magandang crack bridging effect? Dahil kung nagkaroon ng mga hairline cracks, nagkaroon ng konting movement. So, importante yung waterproofing na to bridge this gap. Aside from that, gusto ko din i-share, ang maganda rin sa Sapal RTU is that meron din siyang magandang anti-efflorescence.